Hi everyone, I am Eudora and today we'll be making a star paperclip ring. First thing first, prepare paper clips, a 3-in-1 plier, and a ring sizer, but you can replace it with lip balm like I did here. Now you have all of the things you need, but then how to make it? Let's follow these steps. First thing first, to make it, you have to open the paper clips like this. We are opening it for making it straight so we can bend it, we can, make a shape from it. So let's just do it like what I did. If you have any question, you can just ask me down below on the comments, okay? And guys, be careful when you're doing it, because sometimes it hurts. It also hurts my finger. That's why I think it's time for me to use my plier, to use the flattening part. It just needs a little bit of shaping. And boom! Ta-da! Both paper clips are ready to be used. Now we're going to make a star shape with the yellow paper clip. A little bit of tip. You can always use the tip or the top of the plier, of the long round nose plier, so it will make a little star. Okay? And you just bend it like that, like what I did on the video. I am really sorry because I don't know how to explain it. But if you have any question, let me tell you once again. You can just ask me on the comment, okay? Or you can DM me on the Instagram. A little bit, way more to go, and we're going to have a little tiny small star. Anyway guys, if you recreate it, don't forget to post it and tag me on Instagram, TikTok, or whatever platform you have, okay? And don't forget to subscribe and give it like. We got the excess of the paper clips, so now we can have the little tiny cutie pie small star. Yeah, so cute. Once you're done with the star paper clip, we're moving to the ring. Now let's use the other color. Here I'm using the blue, and use your lip balm or any round thing to form it like this. So basically you just bend it around and according to the lip balm or round thing you have. And here you can adjust it. You can make it bigger or smaller, just like this. Let's just cut it a little bit because we're going to make a little loop. Use the tip of your round nose plier like this to make something like that. Let's just call it loop. Loop, 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 loop you. Okay, now we're going to measure a little bit, and I think I'm going to cut a little more, like really tiny bit of it, like that, before we're going to make another loop, loop, loop you. Like that. And then because it's kinda look abnormal, I'm going to form it again with my lip balm like that. And a little bit more, and done. So both loops are done and we're ready to insert the star. First, because it was too small, I opened it a little bit so it can be like that. Now we're just going to insert the star like that, and don't forget to close the loop like that. Woohoo! Oh my god, cute. And close the loop, don't forget. Oop. How cute is that, bro? Are you sure you're not going to make that, huh? You sure you're not going to make it? I think have a couple ring with me, or with your best friend, with your boyfriend, girlfriend. It's really okay with this, with this little tiny cute ring. If you make it, don't forget to mention me or send me the photo because I really want to see your work. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy and I hope it helps you even a little bit. Bye bye.